서울시대 경복궁 근정점에서 시작하여 근대의 광화문거리, 한강을 중심으로 한 현대서울의 발전 모습과 롯데월드타워의 건설 모습을 감상하실 수 있습니다. You can follow in the footsteps of Seoul's transformation into a modern city, beginning with Kunjeongjin Hall at Gyeongbokgung Palace, built during the Joseon Dynasty, and onto Hwanghamun Street and the Han River during the early modern times. Not only that, you can watch how Lotte World Tower was built as well.